Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess Lifestyle. So today I'm bringing you guys a wig making video. I haven't done one in a really long time, so I'm excited to be doing this one featuring hair from the Clairol collection. Yes, this is a natural hair extensions centered company. I reached out to them because I saw their extensions and I was like, whoa, those look really, really beautiful. And I would love to be able to play with different styles with my natural hair. So as you can see, I am first and foremost bleaching the knots of my closure. I did get sent 4 bundles and a closure. Everything is 22 inches. And this is what the hair looks like after I have bleached it. And now I'm going to tint the lace using Rit fabric dye. I'm using about a cap full of the caramel and then about maybe a half cap of the dark brown. I'm using hot water mixed in with it. And I'm just doing a paper towel test here to see how close it is to my skin tone. It was kind of dark, so I decided to add some water to it. And now I'm just going to leave that in for about 30 minutes, maybe. I wouldn't exceed about 45 minutes because I didn't want it to be too dark. But this is what the bundle looks like when it's pulled apart a little bit. And this is my black hair dye. I use Age Beautiful hair dye. It's my favorite. It's the one I've been using for years now. Every time I want to dye my extensions black, it's perfect. It works really well and it works quickly. So that's what I'm using. I'm using their jet black color and I'm literally just dunking the bundles into the dye because this is very thick hair and it's hard for it to penetrate. So the hair is dyed. It's black, jet black, really beautiful, and I'm just conditioning it. The hair is pretty darn soft. Like, it doesn't necessarily get tangled, even though it is kinky curly hair. It gets tangled to the extent of what natural hair, well, how natural hair gets tangled, but it's nothing serious. So now I'm just sewing the closure down to the cap, and I'm using like the loop and pull method. So I put my needle through the cap and through the band that's on the closure, and then I pull my needle through the hole of the thread. So here I am on to my first bundle, and I requested 4 bundles because that's what I usually get. And on the website it does say anything after I think 22 inches or maybe 20 inches, you need at least 3 bundles. But honestly, you guys, 2 bundles will surely do it for you. Because I started off creating this wig with the intent to add all 4 bundles, or at least 3.5. And you'll see in this video that I keep going with all the bundles as long as I have space. But by the end of it, what I perceived from my wig was that it's beautiful, but it looked too dense. So I actually took out 2 of the bundles. Well, I took out the last 3 bundles that I installed into the wig, and I actually sort of remade it. So you guys are seeing the first initial process of me making the wig and basically how you would make any closure wig the standard way. But on my own time, I took the wig apart again and lessened the density of the wig. I ended up having, I'd say in total, no more than 2 bundles, but possibly 1 3/4 of a bundle with a closure. And I'd say that that is really, really, really amazing for me to be using 22-inch bundles and for it to still be so full with only 2 bundles. As you can see, I'm halfway through the head, and that would be my 3rd bundle. So this is what the hair looks like afterwards. I did cut like maybe 2 inches off of it just so it can have some more body and proper shape, and clearly I really love the look. What do you guys think of this look on me? I think that I look like a freaking goddess. I think I look like a bombshell. I think the Clairol collection really outdid themselves with these bundles and this closure. Everyone thinks this is my real hair. Like, it's been a real frenzy going on in my life with people not understanding that this is a wig. I literally have to rip it off in front of them. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Goodbye.